are just the one.
I said now you carry my babe. That day when you carry, as I dey carry, say to give her that pikin here, you say what you not dey hear. So as I dey here like this, so na police station now you dey go. You got to do meeting, so you first say my land last week. Now come DPO, you got it.
Hey, yo, Mr. Fresh Wagwan. Boy King, you are the man king.
This idiot DPO, see if you know pick a killer. I am DPO. Na, they your way, make you the call. Na, Saturday, yes, so. That boy will say they operate this thing, Martin, so he dey sell, he even sell my card the other day. I see they help me the drop base. Magwell, your father. No, DPO, see the boy. I said DPO, that this boy, now can go beat my caterpillar.
Imagine.
As I tell you, sir, I got to arrest DPO. This boy, I want to just carry. See, now just see at it straight. You cut off for the matter. I want to carry this boy straight to prison yard.
You are just shouting anyhow. Do you know what, young man? You are going to write statement by yourself. They are not writing statement for anybody again. You are just shouting. Can you write statement by yourself?
How come you will hear of this?
Yeah? From that DPO, so when does that, when they don't pass it, that person called it a statement by that, it is the kill your papa. So, as if you say, call me the law, you don't let me know that you speak English. So, as if they don't say, nah, they want to say, they go read the matter. This suspect, they go read, they go see. Let you see my caterpillar next time. Which are the seller? That's what you say, that's it.
Young man, but why are you not talking like this?
Your father. Your papa.
Member of your family who is fighting your lifting, by the power of the Holy Spirit, I clear them out of the way. Somebody is about to die because of you.